Hey guys, welcome to Dead Space 3. In this video I'm going to be showing you the difference between maximum damage and maximum clip, and I'm assuming the other stats maxed out on the graph as opposed to being maxed out across the board. As you can see on the telemetry spike chain gun I have 4 plus 2 clips, and then on the top I'm going to add, it only takes a plus 1 clip to max it out on the graph. So I'll add that. Now if we go out into the weapon, you can see that I've got 90 on the top and 160 on the bottom. So that means that even though it's maxed out on the graph, it can still go beyond that. And I wasn't sure if this was the same for damage or not, but I found out that it is. I've got a couple weapons I'm going to show you to test it out. I'm going to be showing you I need to go back on the bench. Just showing you the plasma cutter and the Evangelizer carbine. The reason I picked those two weapons is because they have high damage to start with, so you're going to see more of a difference in the amount of shots it takes to kill somebody if the weapon has higher damage to begin with. So this is the Planar Cracker Plasma Cutter. It's got plus 2 damage times 4 on the bottom, and I'm going to add plus 2 damage until it maxes out on the graph up top. So it takes 3 plus 2 damages on top to max it out. Now the same goes with the Evangelizer carbine. I'm going to do the same thing, and then we're going to go test it out and see how much of a difference in how many shots it takes to kill a certain enemy. Namely the tentacle monster. So I want to do plus 2 damage across the board. I don't want to do clip. I don't want to do clip. Fumble fingers, as Major Slack says. Okay. And we're gonna see how many plus 2 damage it takes to max out the damage on the top. Okay, so it looks like plus 1 damage is not going to do it, so we'll do another plus 2 damage. I don't want to increase the clip size, so there we go. That's a plus 3 rate of fire, plus 2 damage. So we got 3 plus 2s on top, 4 plus 2s on the bottom, same military engine, and the Evangelizer directed ejection field. And there's no attachments on either of the weapons, nor was there an attachment on the telemetry spike chain gun. See, there's no attachments, and they're both Planar Cracker tips. So we're gonna go test them out right now. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna cut this elevator ride out or not, because I don't want people saying,
Isaac,
oh, well, he
that.
ended the video
So
and he
much
went
going
back and
on.
changed things. So I'm just gonna
The
leave
world
this
is
in the
ending, and
video.
all you can think about is us?
Damn right. I never gave up on you.
Oh no, you get up on the world.
I paid my dues. Or don't you think I'm fucked up enough already?
Isaac, this is do or die. We're stuck without your help. Are you with me?
Doesn't look like I have a choice. Perfect. Now what?
There's also going to be a lurker we can test it out on. Although I'm not... I don't like testing out on the lurker because there's different spots you can hit it that will... I guess the damage will be multiplied differently. So here is the plus 2 damage times 3 plasma cutter. Takes 6 shots. I gotta put this down to make another tentacle monster spawn. Okay, so this is the bottom one. Plus 2 damage times 4. Takes 5 shots. Now I'm gonna have to checkpoint restart to test out the carbine. It may not seem like much of a difference with just one shot, but when you're facing enemies, one shot could be the difference between dying and or getting hit. So here's the top with plus 2 damage times 3. I messed up. Let me do that again because I hit the space bar by accident. Okay, this is plus 2 damage times 3. That's 8 shots. And here we go. This is plus 2 damage times 4. 7 shots. Now, once you beat the game and you have the plus 3 damage circuits, it's going to be a lot bigger of a difference. And like I said, the more damage a weapon has to start with, the bigger of a difference it's going to be, because it's going to take less damage circuits to max it out on the graph, which means there's going to be more damage past the graph. I tried it out on the Seeker rifle because that has really high damage, but it just one-shot kills the tentacle, either with it maxed out on the graph or, you know, plus 2s across the board, so it really doesn't make a difference with that. But I tried the line gun. The line gun makes a difference between, I think, like 2 shots difference maybe. But yeah, so I just figured I'd show you guys that because I think there's been some questions about that. I know Major Slack wasn't sure if adding more damage to the more damage circuits to the weapons was helpful or not, so that's one of the reasons I made this video. And plus I want you guys to know that you can max out your clip and get more ammo and, you know, do more damage. So I guess that's the end of this video, and thank you for watching.